Good morning, my kindergarten dolphins. I hope you're having a wonderful morning, and we're here together now to do our morning meeting. I'm so excited to see you guys in our small groups later, and let's start our day with our calendar. So we're going to begin by counting. I'm going to need you all to help me counting at home, and then we'll figure out what date comes next. So let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and what number do we need next? 26. Now you have to help me. Which one shows me 26? Is it the first number, the middle number, or the last number? Not the middle one. Not the last one. Here it is. The first one showed us 26. If you got that one, give your brain a kiss. Mwah. So now we are going to add our 26 onto our calendar. And we're ready to talk about the months of the year so we can figure out what month we're in. So let's sing our months of the year song together. I hope you guys have caught on to it by now, but if not, that's okay. We'll do it together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Nice work, you guys. What month are we in right now? We're in the month of August. We're in the month of August. So now we know that it is the 26th day of August. And what year are we in? 2020. So now I think we're ready to write the date. I'm going to get my marker out and we'll talk about the 2 ways we could write this date today. So the first way is by starting to write the month name. So let's look at our model here to help us. August is spelled A-U-G-U-S-T. So I'm going to write it like that. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. We said that it was the 26th. And we said the year is 2020. And I put a comma, 2020. So if we wanted to write the date using words, this is how we would do it. August 26, 2020. We wrote out the full month name, the date, and the year. Now we can also write it using numbers. Let's count and see what number the month of August is out of all 12 months in the year. We're going to count until we get to this blank space because that's where August is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means August is the 8th month / today is the 26th day. And then we need to write the 20 to show what year it is. It is 2020. So these are the 2 ways you could write the date for today. 8/26/20, which tells us it's August 26th, 2020. So today, when you need to write the date on your work, this is how you can do it. Now that we've gone over the date, we're ready to talk about our days of the week. So we're going to start by doing our days of the week song. Okay, I hope you can see me. We're going to do our days of the week song, starting with Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on your hips, Thursday on your knees, down to your the days of the week. And we're making 7. So we finished our days of the week song. Now we need to decide what the day of the week is today. Let's start with what yesterday was. What day was it yesterday? It wasn't Monday. It was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday begins with our letter T. Now yesterday was Tuesday. That means that today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday begins with letter W. Now, if today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday, and we make that th sound with a T and an H. Thursday. Nice work, you guys. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. I think we're ready for our weather report. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me, Kinder, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? Let's talk about what it feels like outside first. Does it feel cold or warm or hot? What do you think? I think it feels hot. Remember, we're still in the season of summer, so it's pretty hot outside still. What does it look like outside? What does the weather look like? Is it sunny or cloudy or rainy or snowy? Pretty sunny out. It's still pretty sunny out because it's still summer. So it's typically pretty sunny and hot in summer. Nice work, you guys. I think it's time for us to move. It's time for us to do some counting. Okay, so yesterday we counted to 20 and we talked about the pattern that we saw while we were counting. Today we're gonna count all the way to 30 and see if we can notice another pattern. So let's start at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's examine those numbers a little bit closer. So yesterday we talked about how we noticed a little pattern here where we saw 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Oh, wait a second. You notice that there was a difference between this row from 1 to 10 and this row from 11 to 20. And that all the numbers from 11 to 20 had a 1 in the front. So they had a 1 in the front, and then they had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, back to 0. But what about the numbers in the 20s, from 20 to 30? There's a new number in front. What is it? It's 2. So again, we see 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 0, 0, 0. But once we start getting into the 20s, we have a 2 in the front until we reach 30. What do you think is going to be in the front next? We had a 1, a 2. What's going to come next? We'll see that pattern tomorrow in morning meeting. Okay, the next thing we have to do is our morning journal. So I'm gonna flip over our objective for morning journal. Yes, we have a writing objective. Let's go over our objective. We'll start with our chant. I'll begin, then you. Objective is what we are going to learn. And let's talk about this objective. It says, I can write with a prompt. So yesterday, you had a prompt that was about a self-portrait, telling me about yourself. Today, we'll have a new prompt. So I'm gonna pull up my journal page so we can go over our new prompt. All right, time for our morning journal prompt. And today, your prompt is, what do you like to eat? So we've been talking a lot about food because our friend Cass has been telling us about how she loves to cook. We made a little book telling us about where food comes from. Now I want to know, what do you like to eat? So I'm going to start by looking over my Star Writer checklist again and reminding myself all the things I need to think about when I'm writing. Okay, it says I can write about my pictures. I need to think about sounding it out. I need to think about uppercase and lowercase. I need to think about finger space, and I need to think about punctuation if I'm writing sentences. Or I need to think about what I want to draw and labeling my picture. Remember, you want to write at your level, so think about what you're able to do right now. Now, in our prompt, we had a special sight word. This word is one that's kind of tough to sound out, so I'm going to write it for you. Like. L-I-K-E. If you want to write, I like to eat, that will help you. We also had to. T-O. That will also help you. Eat. E-A-T. So here are 3 words that you can use to help you write a sentence. Like to eat. Now I'm going to get started by brainstorming, thinking about what I like to eat. What I really like to eat is pasta. I really like to eat spaghetti. I know one of our friends told us they were making pasta Alfredo yesterday. Everyone was talking about yummy things they like to cook, and it really made me think about how I really like to eat lots of pasta dishes. So I'm going to draw some of the different types of pasta I like to eat. One of my favorite is bow tie pasta. So I'm going to draw a little bow tie noodle here. They kind of look like this. Bow tie pastas. Those are really yummy. I also really like to eat spaghetti. So I'm going to draw a bowl of spaghetti. It has noodles in it. It has some red sauce. Maybe some meatballs on top. And I also wanted to add a plate of like pasta salad maybe with pesto. So I like to have like long noodles and then pesto sauce on top. So those are the different types of pastas I like to eat. Now if I wanted to label my picture, I could go in and make an arrow and put B for bow tie. I could put an S for spaghetti, and I could put a P for pesto. And now I'm ready to write my sentences. I know that I can do a little bit more than labeling. That's where I'm at with my writing. So I'm going to go ahead and sound out some sentences. And I want to start with, I like to eat. And I need to make uppercase for the beginning of my sentence. I, finger space. I'm going to look at my words here to help me. Like, L-I-K-E. Finger space. Now I'm going to use my other sight word here, to, T-O. Making sure to use lowercase letters because I'm not at the beginning of my sentence anymore. Eat, E-A-T. And now I'm going to write pasta. Starts with letter P. A, S, T, S, T, A. Pasta. I like to eat pasta. There's my first sentence. Now maybe I want to add a little bit more detail today. So I'm going to say there are many types of pasta. That's a big long sentence that has a lot of different words, but I'm going to do my best thinking about how I could sound them out. There, T-H-E-R-E, are, that's another good sight word, A-R-E, many, many types of, O-F, that's another good sight word, pasta. Dishes. There are many types of pasta dishes. Now that was kind of a tough sentence with a lot of words that are really hard to sound out. Do I expect you to have your writing like that? No! I just expect you to follow our rubric. I just want to see that you're sounding things out, you're making sure to use finger spaces, you're putting periods at the end of your sentences, you're trying your best, and you draw a picture for me. So I want you to do your best. Whatever is your best writing, that's what I want to see. All right, I can't wait to hear what foods you like to eat. I'll see you guys later. Bye.